Hey everyone, welcome back to Ideaplex, your go-to channel for all things creative and innovative. Imagine being able to create stunning, studio-quality videos without ever picking up a camera or stepping into a studio. Well, today we're exploring Rendora AI, a cutting-edge platform designed to help you create studio-quality 3D AI avatars effortlessly. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting out, Rendora AI has something for you. So let's get started. So what exactly is Rendora AI? It's a website that allows you to create your very own 3D AI avatar. Imagine having a digital twin that can learn, adapt, and even interact with others online. Pretty cool, right? This AI-powered platform designed to make 3D video creation accessible to everyone. No more struggling with complicated software or hiring expensive professionals. Rendora AI brings high-quality 3D video production to your fingertips. With just a text prompt, you can generate professional-grade videos featuring lifelike 3D avatars that are fully customizable. Rendora AI enables you to create full sets of studio-quality videos featuring lifelike 3D avatars. Imagine having a virtual spokesperson that looks and moves just like a real person. This feature is perfect for marketing videos, tutorials, and even entertainment content. The avatars are so realistic, your audience won't believe they're AI generated. Rendora's AI doesn't just generate video, it creates cinematic experiences. From dynamic camera angles to professional lighting and shadows, Rendora's AI generated shots make your videos look like they were made by a Hollywood director. Whether you're a gamer, a content creator, or just someone who wants a cool digital twin, Rendora AI has you covered. Use your avatar in different applications and unleash your creativity. How Rendora AI works. Enter the text you want to convert into a video. Whether it's a marketing script, educational content, or a personalized message, just type or paste your text into the designated area. This step is crucial for the text to video conversion process. Rendora offers a wide selection of 3D avatars, allowing you to pick the one that best fits your message. You can choose from thousands of avatars based on ethnicity, age, and style. For a more personalized touch, create a custom avatar from a single image. This feature is ideal for those who want to bring a unique, human-like element to their text-to-video projects. Once you've chosen your avatar, customize its appearance to align with your brand. You can adjust outfits, hairstyles, and accessories to create a unique look. Rendora's AI-driven cinematography takes your videos to the next level. The platform automatically selects professional camera angles and lighting to ensure your video looks polished and visually stunning. And if you're a perfectionist like me, you can tweak everything to match your vision. Thanks to its advanced 3D graphics engine, you get real-time rendering that delivers high-quality output fast. Say goodbye to waiting hours or even days for your video to render. Rendora is an all-in-one platform. From script generation and 3D animation to post-production editing, everything is integrated into a seamless workflow. No need for additional software, everything you need is right here. Choose from a vast library of realistic 3D avatars and over 400 virtual environments. Whether you're creating a corporate training video or a product demo, there's something here for every occasion. Once your video is generated, you can fine-tune every detail directly within the platform. Add post-production effects, edit camera movements, and export your final masterpiece all without leaving Rendora. Rendora's AI brings your avatar to life with natural movements and expressions. You can even record your voice and your avatar will lip-sync perfectly. Ever wanted to create a YouTube character without showing your face? Or maybe design a virtual assistant for your business? Rendora's avatars can be used for a variety of purposes, letting your imagination run wild. Now, let's get down to business. Head over to Rendora AI and create your account. It's quick and painless, just like signing up for any other website. Once you're in, click on Create New Video to start a new project. This is where the magic begins. Just type in a simple text description of the video you want to create. For example, create a product intro video for XYZ brand. The AI takes it from there. Next, choose an avatar from Rendora's library or customize one to fit your needs. Then Pick a 3D environment that complements your video's theme. Rendora's AI automatically generates dynamic camera angles. If you want more control, you can easily tweak these shots to better suit your vision. After reviewing your video, add any post-production effects and export it in your preferred format. It's that simple. Play around with the features and design your perfect avatar. Want your avatar to talk? You can record your voice and Rendora's AI will make your avatar lip sync flawlessly. Use the intuitive interface to script dialogues, gestures, and other interactive elements. This will make your avatar more engaging and lifelike. You can explore all these amazing features without spending a dime. This is a fantastic opportunity for small businesses, startups, and individual creators to elevate their content without worrying about budget constraints. Once you're happy with your avatar and interactions, it's time to generate your video. Simply click Generate Video and Rendora AI will do the rest. In just a few minutes, you'll have a high-quality video ready to share with your audience. So there you have it. Rendora AI makes creating your own 3D avatar a fun and accessible experience. Who knows, maybe your avatar will become the next YouTube star, or maybe it'll help you take your business presentations to the next level. The possibilities are endless. Once you've selected a template, it's time to customize your avatar to fit your specific needs. Rendora AI provides a robust set of customization options. Adjust the avatar's height, build, and posture. This feature is especially useful if you're trying to match the avatar to a specific person or character profile. After finalizing the appearance, it's time to bring your avatar to life with animation. Rendora AI's AI-powered tools allow you to create realistic movements and expressions. You can select from a range of preset animations. Rendora AI allows you to position the avatar within any 3D environment you've chosen for your video. You can also adjust camera angles, lighting, and other cinematography elements to ensure your avatar blends perfectly into the scene. Before finalizing your project, review the avatar in action to make sure everything looks just right. When you're satisfied, export the video in your desired resolution and format. Now, your custom avatar is ready to star in your next video production. So, you've checked out Rendora AI and you're ready to dive in, but you might be wondering what's the cost and which plan is right for me. Well, you're in the right place. If you're just dipping your toes into the world of AI-driven video creation, this one's for you. You get to explore Rendora's basic features absolutely free. Generate up to 5 short videos, try out their AI cinematography tools, and see how this platform can work for you. It's a no-risk way to test the waters before you commit. Next, we have the starter plan at just $19 a month. This plan is perfect for individuals and small businesses looking to create more polished video content. You'll get access to an expanded library of 3D avatars and environments, the ability to generate up to 20 videos per month, and high-definition exports. Head over to Rendora AI and pick the plan that's right for you. And if you do try out Rendora, share your experiences with us in the comments. We'd love to see what you create. And don't forget, if you found this breakdown helpful, smash that like button and subscribe to Ideaplex for more tips, tricks, and in-depth reviews on the best tools for creators. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep creating.